Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to automate post between WordPress sites. So if you are regulating two WordPress accounts and you want to sync them in such a way that every time a new post is created in one WordPress account, that post is also created in the second WordPress account. So we can create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect for the same, where our trigger will be the post published in the first account and our action will be to create a post in the second account. Let us learn how to do that. So in this video, we are going to learn how to connect two WordPress accounts in such a way that every time one post is created in a WordPress account, so the same post will be created in the other WordPress account as well. So let us create this automation, quickly sign in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, we'll see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Automate Post Between WordPress Sites. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you like you can see on your screen. You will see two major concepts of Pabbly Connect that are called trigger and action. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger is going to be the first application where the event will take place manually, that is we are going to make the changes, which is going to trigger this workflow, and therefore the action application will perform the assigned action. Let me remind you to open both your WordPress sites over here so that you can cross-check your connection also and all the activities that you perform. So let us quickly choose our trigger application as WordPress. So both our trigger and action are going to be WordPress only for this workflow. But remember, the accounts are going to be different. So while we enter the credentials, that has to be taken care of. So the event this time is going to be new post published. Now, Pabbly Connect provides a webhook URL to you, which will help you to connect your WordPress account and Pabbly Connect in such a way that every time a new post is created over here or a new post is published in your WordPress account, a response is received over here. So let us open your WordPress account and then go to Plugins, find Plugins from the left panel, click on Add New, and when the page opens, type over here WP Webhooks. Now, this WP Webhooks create powerful automation workflows directly within WordPress is the one you need to install. You can see it's active in my case, which means it is already installed. So once you're done with the installation, go to Settings under Plugins only, and you will find the WP Webhooks over here. Click on this webhook, and then this menu will open where you have to click on Send Data, because we are going to use this URL to send data from WordPress to Pabbly Connect. Once you open the Send Data menu, you will see that there are many workflows created for many different tasks over here. So we have to create a post created. And these are the two webhooks that are created for post creation. So we have to add one more webhook over here. So name a webhook. I'm going to name it as Post on Sites is the name of my webhook. And I will copy this webhook URL from here and come back and paste it in this section. Once it is done, click on Add for Post Create, and your webhook will be added. Now, one more thing you have to do is to set a trigger for this specific. So post on sites, click on these three dots, go to settings and choose your trigger. It has to be a post which will be published. Chosen the trigger and the trigger change over here, click on save settings. The settings are saved. Now you're done with the webhook connection. You can see it is waiting for a webhook response over here. So let us create a post that will come over here as a response. So go to post, all post, and then you will get this option to add a new post over here, add new. So give a title. I'm going to write a paragraph on save water, and the paragraph over here is, this is the paragraph I have written on save water. Now once this is done, click on publish. Make sure your workflow is waiting for a webhook response over here, and once it will be published over here, a response will be received over here. So yes, it is published. Now the button has changed to update. So coming back over here, you can see that we have received a response. If you scroll down, you will find the title, and then here we have the content as well. This is the content. So now you are operating both the WordPress sites and you want that one post created at one specific website will be posted to another as well. Okay, so you are going to add your action application from here. So open your action window and type over here WordPress all over again. Now again, our action application is WordPress and the event will be to create a post. Okay, so whenever a new post is created in one account, the same post will be created in another account. Click on connect, and now the connection for action application is a little bit different. When you click on add new connection, it will ask you for the username, password and the base URL. So this is my another WordPress account over here, and I am going to enter the email, the password, and the URL of my second WordPress account here. So I have entered my WordPress username over here, and this is my WordPress password. Now I want to enter the base URL as well. So what is the base URL? Go to your WordPress account and see that whenever you click on your URL, you don't have to include this WP admin part. The rest of it can be taken from here. So you copy till.com and then paste that URL over here. Remove the slash from the end and click on save. Once you do this, the connection will be established. Now you are connected to a different WordPress account and you want to create a post for the same post that you have created over here. So the post type is post only. What is the title? So you can map the title from here. So come down to find the title. If you find it easily, then well and good. But if you're not able to find, then you can just type in the search and map data like we will be doing for post content. Like if you want to do that, type water over here and see. This is the title also here. In the search and map data, we typed a hint and here we have the paragraph. So we have the content also. Now there is no other thing that needs to be changed. Here featured media ID is nothing selected. So what you can do is activate this map button and leave this empty so that no media ID will be added on its own as well. So all of these fields are optional. They are not required or mandatory for this workflow to run. So you can do the changes according to your requirement. I will just click on save and send test request and see here. It will be created. So when you go back to your another WordPress account, click on this all post over here and see save water has been created over here. Open this and it has the same paragraph, the one we were having over here, which means that we are able to create a post into WordPress account by creating that post in one account only. So this was the whole workflow. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.